İnan Machine, the fusion of technology and trust. İnan Machine is known as a distinguished company with its deep industry experience and innovative approach. Keeping a close eye on industry developments, İnan Machine has made it its mission to provide customers with the best quality service and products. Why İnan Machine? Reliability. İnan Machine, prioritizing customer satisfaction, stands out in the industry with reliable and high-quality products. Technology focused. With our state-of-the-art machines, we provide quick and effective solutions to customer demands. Flexible production. By producing customized solutions tailored to your needs, we add value to our customers with a flexible and customizable production structure. Our products and services. CNC machining. Precision CNC machining for the production of custom parts. Machine design and manufacturing. Design and manufacturing of industrial machines. Quality control. We meticulously control the quality of our products. At İnan Machine, providing the best solutions to our customers and establishing long-term, trusted-based relationships with our business partners are our top priorities. Work with us and move confidently towards the future.